Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to record an adjusting journal entry using the example of supplies used. So first and foremost, why is this adjusting necessary? So in this specific example, the supplies were recorded as an asset at first. When the Happy Office Company bought the $2,000 of supplies, it was entered into the supplies account, which is an asset on the balance sheet. So let's write this out just for some visual. It's not going to be an accurate balance sheet, but just to have some background. And then, so we're going to be having supplies at $2,000. However, that is not all the supplies that are still on the hand. The $1,200 is the amount used to run the business. So the expenses must be recorded in the period they are incurred to be in line with the matching principle. And without this adjustment, the financial statements are going to not be equal, or not. They will either be overstated or understated. And to get into that, for example, the asset account of supplies will be overstated by $1,200 because in reality we only have $800. Since this money was used from the 2000, so it would be overstated. So it's important we adjust the entry to ensure the expenses are properly recorded. Enough about that. Let's get into the actual adjusting of the journal entry. So first, let's write out the date. And then let's do account title, and then the debit and credit, of course. Okay, so what is the first account we are going to be using today? We're going to be using the supplies expense, since that's what we use, that's the expenses that we have, and we are going to debit it. Why are we going to be debiting it? By putting the supplies expense on the debit side, we are recognizing the cost of supplies during the month of January. Expenses increase with debits, therefore it is going to be on this side. And the next account we're going to be using is supplies, since of course, we're using the supplies, and we're going to credit this account. Why must we credit this account? We are reducing the asset account since those supplies are no longer available, so we have to reduce them. We have to credit the supplies in order to decrease those assets and have this financial statement credible and accurate. So in summary, adjusting entries like this one are necessary to keep financial statements accurate. Thanks for watching. Bye.